So, you want to use AI for your next presentation? Let's talk about how to do it right. The big promise is that AI can do it all for you. But can it really? Because if you're not careful, you get this slide soup, just a generic, bloated mess of slides. Okay, so here's the trick. Don't think of AI as a magician. Think of it as your intern. It's amazing for the grunt work, like drafting text. But it has zero taste and just makes stuff up. So your goal is simple. Let AI build it faster. But you have to be the editor-in-chief. So how do you avoid that slide soup? Well, it all comes down to one powerful principle. It's this simple. Plan first, then you generate. And you always do the final polish. All right, let's turn that principle into a practical workflow you can actually use every single time. This 4-step process keeps you focused, and it saves you from endlessly hitting regenerate. First things first, before you even open an AI tool, you gotta define the job. Nail down your purpose, audience, and the action you want. This is your anchor for everything. Okay, now you go to your AI intern. Ask for an outline, just the skeleton, not the whole thing. You just want slide titles and the flow. This lets you check the story's logic early on. All right, outline looks good. Now you tell the AI to write the content, but with some rules. Rules make the AI way smarter. This is your secret weapon against bloated, jargon-filled slides. So you've got the workflow. Now let's quickly cover the tools and a few best practices. You've got a few options: built-in AI, separate tools, or a hybrid. Honestly, hybrid is best. But be careful. AI just makes up numbers. It's called AI math panic, and it's a real problem. The fix is easy. You provide the numbers. Let the AI help you explain what they mean. The biggest mistake people make? Letting the AI decide the story. No, you are the storyteller. And please, no walls of text. Keep your slides clean. Put the extra stuff in speaker notes. All right, let's wrap this up. How do we make sure the final result is actually good? Just remember these 3 golden rules. This is what keeps you in the driver's seat, always. At the end of the day, it's simple. The AI drafts, you direct. That's the game.